Understanding throat clearing in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language expression, throat clearing. This phrase is used metaphorically in language, and it's important to understand its various contexts. Stay tuned as we explore what it means and how it's used. First, let's discuss the literal meaning of throat clearing. It's a physical act where someone clears their throat to remove any irritation or obstruction. It's a common human action and is often heard in daily conversations. However, in language, this term takes on a different, more metaphorical meaning. In a conversational context, throat clearing can refer to words or phrases used to hesitantly start a conversation or speech. It's like a verbal warm-up, often indicating that the speaker is preparing to say something important or is unsure how to begin. Examples include phrases like, "Well, you know," or "I think that." When it comes to writing, throat clearing can mean something slightly different. Here, it refers to unnecessary words or sentences at the beginning of a piece of writing. These are often used to warm up before getting to the main point. It's generally advised to avoid throat clearing in writing to keep the content concise and to the point. Recognizing throat clearing in speech and writing is crucial. In conversation, be aware of filler phrases that don't add value. In writing, look for introductory sentences that can be removed without losing meaning. Being concise is key in effective communication. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of throat clearing in both spoken and written English. Remember, whether in conversation or writing, getting straight to the point is often the best approach. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.